southwestern John County until 12:45 p.m. At 12:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northeast of Bay City, or 11 miles northeast of Red Wing, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Hold on.
The following effects are expected. Hail damage will be near Plum City around 12:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Elmwood and Elk Alley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.